It has arrived. What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. My Mudflaps have arrived. I've ordered these from eBay. Good high quality item, and you can pick up for £8. Link will be in the description. Check them out. I'm going to show you how to put the Mudflaps on. What you will need is a drill. Any type of drill will work. With this piece in front to go along with the screws, and you need a jack to lift your car up, and a wheel wrench to take your wheel nut off to remove the wheel, because in this job you need to remove the wheels. Here we have the Mudflaps. It's going to go on something like this, but for this you need to remove the wheel. So guys, once your wheel is off safely, you want to line up. So guys, I added a few extra screws. These are the 3 main ones, but I did more just to make sure it's safe. Look, it doesn't move. It's all good. The Mudflaps is done. Looks really nice with this car. It suits it very well. Also forgot to mention I plastered up my logo, and the car needs a wash as well. But yeah, check it out. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, subscribe.